If you think your kitchen is getting tedious and comfortable, maybe it's time for you to overhaul it. Unfortunately, kitchen makeover projects usually entail lots of money. The best way to tackle this problem is by doing the project one by one in a slow pace. So let's begin with the most conspicuous thing in your kitchen, the cabinets. You can do many things with your cabinets to get a new and fresh look, from repainting them to replacing the doors. Here, I've listed 10 cheap cabinet makeover ideas for limited kitchen and budget that will give some inspirations. As always, this list is compiled for you by simphome.com. Enjoy! 10. Repaint the cabinets for a fresher look. One of the cheapest and most convenient ways to transform the look of your kitchen is by repainting your cabinets. You can go with the same color to add a bit of nuance, or you can use different colors for a brand new look, just like this kitchen. The homeowner decided to paint his dull cabinets gray to infuse an upscale look of a modern farmhouse kitchen. He also replaced the cabinet handles with cup pulls to add a more modern look. Just an advice for you. When painting the cabinets, you'd better remove the cabinet doors so you can paint them thoroughly. And don't forget to label the pulls and hinges so they won't be mixed up. 9. Display what is inside your cabinet. Why do you have to buy new cabinets if you can replace the doors and make everything look awesome again? There are many ideas that you can apply for your cabinet doors, one of which is replacing the old solid doors with glass ones. It's actually a DIY-friendly project, but if you're not sure about it, please kindly seek some assistance. If you want to insert glass in your cabinet doors, you need to cut the center part of the doors out. Then place the glass that has already been cut behind the door and secure it with fasteners. Make sure the fasteners can't be seen through the glass. 8. Reface the cabinets with veneer. When your neighbors come into the kitchen, they will be surprised and think that you've just put in new cabinets. Well, actually, they're just old cabinets that have been refaced with veneer. Pretty impressive, right? Refacing old cabinets with veneer is the easiest way to get a new look in a very affordable price. Refacing your cabinets with veneer may look simple, but if not done properly, it will look horrible, so you have to be careful. The first thing you need to do is remove the doors and drawers. Then cover the front of the cabinets with peel and stick wood veneer. Begin with the edges. Before attaching the veneer, you need to cut it to length to make them flush with the cabinets. Finally, replace the cabinet doors and drawers. 7. Cabinet makeover on a budget. Updating your kitchen cabinets with wallpaper is worth trying. People will think that these cabinet doors feature beadboard paneling. The truth is they are actually wallpaper, which makes this project not only a breeze, but fit in any budget. You only need to remove the cabinet doors and place them on a workable surface. Then apply your beadboard wallpaper that has been cut to the length of the cabinet doors. Then, using wood glue, attach the outer frame of the cabinets, which are made of plywood that has been cut into 2-inch wide strips. Once the glue is dry, you can screw the frames from the inside to make sure that they will stay in place. 6. Accentuate the knobs. Sprucing up your kitchen doesn't have to be arduous. Even accentuating the knobs of your kitchen cabinets can have a big impact. You can either replace the old knobs and get new decorative ones, or work with the existing knobs, which can help you salt away your money. Just like this knob, the homeowner attached a bauble to it and turned it into a beautiful emerald knob. It's such an easy and fun project that you can do with your kids. Simply use a bit of your imagination and jazz your kitchen up. 5. Use stencils. Many people use stencils to add more patterns to their walls and floor. Why don't you try this brilliant idea for your cabinets? This white cabinet door looks beautiful with a figure of a bird on it. Just like any other stencil technique, all you need to do is attach a bird-shaped sticker onto the cabinet door. Begin painting the door crisp white and later remove that sticker from the wood surface. 4. Asian bamboo cabinet doors. Incorporate the charm of traditional Asian look in your kitchen by adding a twist to your cabinet doors. This is another super easy project that you can do yourself. The first thing you need to do is remove the doors from the cabinets. To enhance the traditional look, paint the cabinet frame dark brown and go on to the fun part. Measure the entire part of the cabinet door so you can cut the bamboo mat to the length. Make sure the bamboo mat fits snugly into it. Then you can attach it using wood glue. 3. Mosaic cabinet doors. Perk your kitchen up with these mosaic tiles. Apparently, they're not only good for your backsplash but also your kitchen cabinet. With a little bit of elbow grease and creativity, you can turn your stark cabinets into fabulous ones. To get this look, you only need to remove the cabinet doors and place them on a surface where you can work comfortably. Lay the mosaic tiles onto the cabinet door to see whether they fit snugly. If you think they're just perfect, attach the tiles using mosaic tile adhesive. 2. Add architectural elements. Add an architectural element like this corbel to incorporate a traditional look to your kitchen. This well-crafted corbel will also add a luxurious look to your kitchen instantly. All you need to do is just get a few corbels and attach them on important spots in your kitchen, like your kitchen island or cooking hood. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, corkboard cabinet doors. This corkboard cabinet door offers you more than one function. This idea is not only good but also practical. You can attach memos or even recipes on it, so you can take a look at the recipe easily when cooking. So, these are 10 cheap cabinet makeover ideas that won't burn a hole in your pocket. They are not only cheap but also fantastic, and I think challenging to follow. Next time I'm going to publish 10 clever and cheap indoor garden ideas. Stick with us. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that Simp Home has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.